welcome to day 7 of Daily December. I am using Bree's prompts again for this spread, which is friendship. And I'm starting out by printing a photo on my Canon selfie printer, which was taken at the school Christmas party that I had last weekend. And I really love this printer for regular size photos, but something I cannot manage is to print photos smaller, so where I would have like a collage and I would print several photos on one page. It looks great when I have it on the screen of my phone, but then when it comes out on the printer, it always cuts off the sides, so I don't know. Somehow I just can't get that to work. But for regular photos, it's really a really good printer. And I just bought it from Amazon. So I decided to use a music page as a background. I had already cut that down. And for the photo, I just wanted to give it some sort of frame, and I used my washi. And then I have these Pimp Up Your Photos stickers that I got at a local store, and it had this Friends Forever sticker, so I thought that would work really, really well for this prompt of friendship from Bree. I will link that below where you can find these prompts if you're interested. So I'm going to take that and stick that on the photo. And I was really determined to do a more simple spread this time because it's really a time issue for me, and I feel like I'm already behind one day. So I need to do another one later today that I'm gonna upload tomorrow. So I really can't take that much time for a spread. So then I wanted to add a stamp, and I wanted to add this wide clip. This is in my last AliExpress haul. If you want to find the link for these stamps, they are really, really awesome and very versatile. So I'm just gonna stamp that on there, and as you will be able to see, it didn't come out very well, which is not the fault of the stamp, which is just because it just wasn't even underneath and I didn't stamp it well, so that was totally my fault. And even after going over it again, it was better, but I just wasn't happy with the way it looked. So I decided to tear the picture off again and to cover that stamp with some more music paper, because thankfully you can usually fix your mistakes somehow. So that is awesome. So I'm just gonna do the stamping again, but I'm choosing a different stamp. So now I'm just checking, before I glue down the paper, I'm checking where exactly the picture's gonna be, so that now I can stamp that little clip on. Now I have a flat surface underneath, so this is much better. And I take the washi off because that also had some stamping from the previous stamp on there. So I just add a new washi there. How nice that washi comes off so easily. So I again have to check where it needs to be placed so that the stamp will be in the correct position. So that worked out really well. Love how that came out. And now I'm really happy with how that looks. So I'm just gluing that over the other stamp and gluing that picture down once again, and I really like that. Then I was out shopping yesterday, and I managed to find a copy of the current Daphne's Diary from end of November, and unfortunately we only get it in German here, so that's a bummer, but I guess better German than nothing. And so in it was a little booklet for recipes, and it had this cute little bow on it that I just fussy cut out, and I wanted to put it on that photo, and I actually realized afterwards that I never glued it on. So I will do that after this video. And then on the right hand side, I wanted to write something about friendship and about my experience, especially at that school with friendship. And I didn't want to just write it down on the blank page, just because I didn't like the look of it, but also because I had smudged some stamping ink on that page. So it was good that I covered it up, and I really forced myself not to overthink it, of what to do with, because the page wasn't, the scrapbook paper wasn't long enough, so I had to cut it and paste another piece. And so I was thinking, how do I do the you know, what do you call it, the line where they meet. But I just thought, okay, just let it go, just paste it down, and that's it. And then you see this little star that's also from Daphne's diary. It had the 7 on it, so that was perfect. And I just inked the edges to give it more definition. And then I found some more stamps. I really don't know where I got these from. Probably also AliExpress, but a longer time ago. And they have these really nice sayings on them. And so the one I'm using at the top is "Friends are a gift," which is just perfect for this spread. And there's another one that I really liked that I also wanted to add on the bottom, which is "Life is better with friends." So those two are just made for this spread. And I'm using my red archival ink for this, like it's a Bordeaux red, which is really nice. And now I'm going to just journal about how lucky and grateful I am for having found such amazing friends at school, and also for I had the chance to work with 2 of my best friends at school the last 4 to 5 years. We went to school together at that school, and then we were working there like 30 years later. So I mean, what luck to find that in life, and I will be forever grateful, and I will really miss seeing them on a daily basis. Of course, we'll still be friends and we'll be in contact, but of course it won't be the same. Like now we're still seeing each other every day in school. We went through thick and thin together, and yeah, made amazing new friends that I know will be lifelong friends. And I'm just so grateful for having had that opportunity and for being able to take those friends with me. So thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye.